How's it going, everybody? It's Edwin from Cross Creek Lights. Today we have an unboxing from Jdeation, or Murphy Christmas lights. These are some controller plates that we have bought for our new controller builds that we're building this year. So I decided why don't do an unboxing video for you guys to see what all comes in. So let's go ahead and get this open here. Thought I could rip that. Apparently not. So this came from Jdeation, where you can go ahead and just design your own controller plates. And it's actually a really cool design software. And then the build plates are like 45 bucks, and it comes with all the mounting hardware and stuff. So it's quite a really good deal. So you can get something custom. I mean, even going to like Home Depot and buying acrylic or plexiglass to cut is quite expensive. So to get all this hardware and everything is a pretty good deal. So let's go ahead, just open this up here. I got stuff falling over there. Alrighty. So put my scissors in here. We should have two build plate kits. We're building two ammo box controllers here. So both K16s. So this, I believe, is one. I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side there. And then here's another. Alright, let's go ahead and get this box out of the way. Toss that over there. Alright. Let's go ahead and get this one here. Alrighty. So they sell all kinds of different controller mounts that you can customize. Some for like bud boxes, the CG 1500 cases, but we went with the ammo cases, I believe the largest one that they sell, because we're going to do two pretty big boxes. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead, actually I'll wrap this here. Terrible for audio, so I apologize. Alright, and look at all that. Go ahead and move this to the side here. I'm not too sure which kit this is. We'll find out in just a minute. Actually, this one is going to be our 4 Meanwhile power supply one. Alright, so let's go ahead and unwrap this. All nicely shrink wrapped, which I bet sounds amazing for you guys, but I apologize. So the Murphy Christmas lighting crew has very good support. Me and my dad work on these lights together. He submitted a request because we were worried about clearance from the power supplies to do a culp build, because the beagle bone sits on the bottom of the controller, and they responded very quickly. They even tried to call my dad when he submitted that to talk to him on the phone, but we were out somewhere, so he wasn't able to answer it. But yeah, they were very on top of it here. So alright, so it looks like we got a bunch of nuts and bolts. This is like the tubing for spacers, a bunch of nuts and bolts. I'm not going to open all these because, I mean, it's nuts and bolts. These, I believe, are the power supply brackets that mount for these. We're going to be putting 4 Meanwhile power supplies in here. And then this is the design. Looks awesome. This is the bottom plate. This is going to be the top plate here. This does come off this like brown material. I'm not going to take it off because it's just see-through, and I don't want to scratch it right now when we're not building them. But so what I did here is each of these are for a voltmeter. So a voltmeter here and here and here and here for the 4 power supplies. And then I did one in the middle for a thermostat that we're going to put inside the box to make sure it's not overheating, and it'll kick on a fan. And then these are holes for different things here. This is where the Culp 16 is going to sit, and then we have another Culp expansion up here. Cool. All right, yeah, so it's going to look like that. So K16 expansion up here. Awesome. Alrighty. Okie dokie. Let's go ahead and open the other one up here. Set that down there. All right. Round 2 of opening up brown packaging. This one is the same exact, except it only has 3 of these things, because we're doing 2 server power supplies in this board and then 1 temperature control. Other than that, it's the same exact as the other one here. So it will have, I mean, we copied the same layout. So Culp 16 expansion board down there. So yeah, I'm not going to go ahead and open up that one. But anyways, that was the Murphy Lighting and Jdeation unboxing. Very good experience with them. And these are, I mean, really high quality and makes it nice for controller builds. So yeah, we should be doing a video about our controller builds once they're built. So yeah, here's the unboxing of that. Hope you enjoy, and until next time.